Welcome to Autos. The Yamaha TW200 has always been a motorcycle with a cult following. Known for its fat tires, rugged character, and unbeatable simplicity, it's been a favorite among adventurers, commuters, and beginners for decades. But now, for 2026, Yamaha has taken this icon into a new era with the Yamaha TW200 2.0, a modernized version that keeps its legendary charm but upgrades everything that riders wished for. At first glance, the TW200 2.0 still carries the unmistakable silhouette of the original. The fat balloon-style tires remain, giving it that unique, almost ATV-like stance. But Yamaha has refined the design. Sleeker LED headlight, sharper tank lines, and a modern LCD display replace the old analog cluster. The bike looks retro yet fresh, perfect for both nostalgia lovers and new-age riders. The 2026 version also comes in bold dual-tone colors, with matte finishes and subtle graphics that emphasize its off-road character. Engine and performance. The biggest change comes in the heart of the machine. The old 196cc air-cooled carbureted engine has been replaced with a 225cc fuel-injected single-cylinder powerplant. It's still air-cooled for simplicity and durability but now meets modern emission standards while delivering 20% more power and torque. Smooth throttle response and better low-end grunt make it more capable both in city traffic and on trails. The new 6-speed gearbox adds flexibility compared to the old 5-speed, letting riders cruise more comfortably at highway speeds, something the old TW struggled with. Yamaha has fine-tuned the suspension. The front telescopic forks now have more travel, and the rear monoshock is preload adjustable, offering better comfort and adaptability. Of course, the wide tires remain the star of the show, still 180mm at the rear, giving unmatched grip on sand, gravel, and mud. Riding the TW200 2.0 feels stable, forgiving, and playful. It's not about top speed, it's about going anywhere with confidence. For the first time, the TW200 2.0 embraces modern features. Full LCD digital display with gear indicator, fuel gauge, and trip meters. USB charging port for gadgets. LED lighting system for better visibility. Optional Bluetooth connectivity for navigation and ride data. These updates make it not just a trail toy but a practical everyday commuter. The TW200 has always been approachable, and the 2.0 continues this tradition. With a low seat height of 31 inches, even shorter riders feel confident. The wide handlebars and upright seating position make it extremely comfortable for long rides. Yamaha has also improved the seat padding, making it better for touring than the old model. Brakes and safety. Braking is now handled by a front and rear disc brake setup, a major upgrade over the old drum rear. ABS is optional, giving riders confidence without losing the simplicity that TW fans love. In the city, it's nimble, easy to handle, and cheap to run. On trails, the fat tires eat up soft terrain with ease, making it perfect for sand, snow, and mud. For touring, with the extra power and improved gearbox, longer rides are finally enjoyable. Fuel economy remains excellent at around 80 mpg, 34 km/h, making it one of the most efficient adventure-styled motorcycles available. The 2026 Yamaha TW200 2.0 is not just an update, it's a rebirth of a legend. It keeps the soul of the original bike while addressing its biggest weaknesses: more power, better brakes, modern features, and improved comfort. It's still not a high-speed highway bike, but that's not the point. The TW200 has always been about freedom, simplicity, and going places others can't. With the 2.0 version, Yamaha ensures this quirky legend will live on for a new generation of riders. Unique fat tire design, lightweight and approachable, improved power and gearbox, modern features with retro charm, reliable and fuel efficient, not built for high-speed touring, still a niche style, might not appeal to everyone.